No, well, we're all gonna die, but you're not gonna die anytime soon. You don't have to worry about that.
I'm gonna die. And, oh, it's raining.
I see that. That's good though. That means the fish are about to start biting. Fish on. Are you reeling?
Yeah, I'm reeling.
Keep reeling.
How many reels do I need?
I don't know, enough to get him to the bank.
Is this way?
Yeah. Keep reeling. Let's see what we got here. I don't see him yet.
Do you see him that?
No, but you got to keep reeling. Ooh, boy. Keep reeling. Oh, yeah, there he is. There he is. That's a good one. Keep reeling. Keep reeling. Almost there. Come on. Almost there. Oh, no. Keep reeling.
What did he do?
Oh, oh, no. Stay in there. There we go. Dude. Nice catfish, Callie.
Oh, that's the big one.
Good job, buddy. All right, here, let's set the pole back. And then we'll go like this. Good job.
Ow.
Got their buttholes just like you do. All right, let's do this. All right, here we go. You ready? You got him under the spikes? Moved up.
I don't want him to spike me. Get 3, 2, 1. Go.
Set him up here. Push him off. 3, 2, 1. Go. There he goes. Yeah, so are mine.